Should New Mexico doctors be able to help terminally ill people end their lives? Today, the appeals court heard arguments on both sides of this controversial issue. Action 7 News reporter Laura Terrain joins us with what happened.
Shelley, only 4 states, Oregon, Montana, Vermont, and Washington, allow doctors to prescribe lethal medicine to terminally ill patients. Now New Mexico could be joining them. Today, judges on the appeals court listened to arguments on both sides. The state says it is a fundamental right for a person to make a decision about the way to end their life, but draws the line at getting another person, a doctor, involved in that decision by prescribing the lethal medicine. One of the people fighting for this right to die with the help of a doctor is a New Mexico cancer survivor. Her name is Asia Riggs, and she says if and when her illness comes back, she wants to be able to end her suffering by taking medicine to end her life.
To require somebody in that case to suffer and to withhold that option that we know is safe and is compassionate and is legal in other places, it's just not right.
Now, on the other hand, the state brought up the fact that doctor-assisted death may not be something the court should be deciding. They suggested it's an issue the legislature should vote on. The state also expressed concerns that people could potentially abuse giving lethal medicine to the sick. One of the judges shot down that argument, saying in Oregon, where it's been legal for 17 years, there hasn't been a single case of abuse. Back to you.
It could be several months before the appeals court issues its ruling.
The man suspected